In today's video, we're showing you how to change the passenger side halo light in a BMW E90. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so what you're going to do first is remove your wheel to get to your halo light. Obviously you have to remove the lug bolts. And you've got 5 8mm bolts and one 10mm plastic bolt. Plastic goes here. You've got bolt here, here, one here, and one here, I believe. And I'm going to try and do this without having to completely take apart everything, so it'll be easier to get back together. But this kind of just tucks under the lip here. You can pop that out and pull this down. And we're going to see. Yeah, you can make enough room in there. You can't see it because I don't have light in there yet, but I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so I got the fender pulled down, fender well pulled down. What you're going after right there is that little guy with the 2 holes in it. And it's got a clip on the bottom and on the top. And I don't think I'm going to be able to video getting that out, but basically just pull down on the tab on the top and the bottom and that box will come out. Okay, so that's honestly pretty difficult to get out. It's got 2 tabs on it, and what you want to do is get a flathead and wedge it in between where it clips in on the top first, and then pop out the bottom, and you should be able to pull this thing out. And that reveals that green and orange wire right there. And what we're going to do next is pop those 2 connectors off, make a note of where they're plugged in. We got the brown on the top and the green on the bottom, and then there's 2 screws that hold in the housing of the bulb. Okay, next we got to remove I think it's 2 T10 screws, and I don't know if I'll be able to get this in the shot. They're on either side, roughly where the end of my little wrench is here, and there's one on the other side. Take those out, and then the whole thing should come out. There's a screw you're trying to pull out. It's actually a T15. So I got one out. We're gonna get the other one out now. There it is. You can see there's where the screws are. Take those out. And what you're left with is this guy and your bulb right there, which isn't technically replaceable. So you have to buy this whole thing, which costs about $50. I'm going to show you how to just change the bulb out. I have another video on this, but I'm trying to do one that gets you a better idea of what you're going to do here. Okay, so your objective here is to put 2 notches with a drill and a drill bit on either side of the bulb. Now the bulb looks like this. It has the 2 little nubs on it. So you push down and you twist and you can pull it out. Sometimes it's pretty difficult to get out, and sometimes it's easiest just to get rid of the glass and then kind of pick out the metal piece. Now we're going to put in the new bulb back into this housing. So we got the new bulb in, just going to reinstall it the way we pulled it out and put everything back together. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure that you have this side to the right and that side to the left.